All right, look what showed up just in time for Christmas. Novsight sent me these 3-inch off-road pod lights to test out, and it looks pretty nice. I mean, from the box, feels really sturdy. So we're gonna unbox this thing, and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and install it and put it on the Jeep. Let's see what we got in here. Here's pod light. Looks like it's got a nice cover on it, a case on it. There's that. And then there's that one there for an amber. Each side has its own bracket. Okay. And then the hardware to go with it. And here's the wiring setup for it. Looks like it's got everything you need to hook it up to the battery, and then you got yourself a little switch for the inside. The other light here with the same exact thing. My first impression is this looks like a nice quality light. It's very, very industrial. Everything looks like good connections. Bracket's not flimsy at all. It's pretty solid. Yeah, that's nice. It's pretty good. It's a nice light so far. All right, it's time to install this thing. Okay, so this bracket is really nice and the light comes very nice together. But if you're gonna put it, say, right here in the front on the WJ, you're gonna need to make a bracket. And I just got a little plate from the hardware store and bent it into shape. For the hood, I used that bolt right there, and then I bent a bracket up and around and out. And then I put it in the vise and bent it over so that I can get this a little bit off the... All right, so let me see if I can show you the little bracket so you can get an idea of maybe what you want to do. This is just one of the bolts that holds the hood on. So we take that off. So that's kind of what I made. I bent it to go around this stuff. What is this, like a 16-inch thick? Something like that. But that's holding it there, and it's pretty damn sturdy. Just connecting right here to the battery with the ground. Positive. For the switch, I just snuck it right along here. Now it's... Okay, so you can see I ran it through here. I put it behind this. I pulled this out and then stuffed it down in there. So I ran it back behind here, all the way behind this stuff, and then I popped out right here, and it's got some sticky tape on it. So I just mounted it there for now, but I'm probably gonna put a whole panel switch right here. So for now, this is where it's gonna live, and it's working. Okay, let's see what it looks like in the daylight. And this is what the pod lights look like at night on the trail. What's up, guys? Welcome to the WJ Overland Studio. We just got back from the Tonto National Forest adventure where we used the Novsight pod lights at night the whole time, and they work perfectly. So, if you're ready to get yourself a really nice set of 3-inch pod lights for your Jeep, then I'm gonna put a QR code right here, a link in the description, and a link on my homepage for 20% off over at Novsight. And one more thing before I go, we are booking all kinds of adventures for 2024. And one of them is the most famous trail in California. It's gonna be a challenge for the WJs, and I wonder if you guys can guess what trail that is. But while you're here, go ahead and watch this video right here.